didn't know why happiness was fading in my life.
So today's video is about something that I want to inspire few other people, just the way I got inspired from someone when I was feeling hopeless and purposeless in my life.
It's the things around me. It's only in your arms I can see.
My favorite lipstick from Fenty.
Everything means nothing without you.
Okay, I think I overslept. पूरी आंखें मेरी सूजी हुई हैं. I think I'm ready. क्या बोलना था मैं भूल गई. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again and today's video is going to be something different. ऐसे मेरे मन में ख्याल आया कि why don't I do a sit down kind of a talk every single month on one topic that would help or inspire or give some hope to people who are actually feeling hopeless, purposeless or lost in their life based on my experiences. And I would like to name this series as the Couch Talk because basically मैं अपने couch पे बैठने वाली हूँ. मतलब अभी तो फिलहाल मैं अपने bed पे बैठी हूँ because I do not have a couch over here right now. I just have a chair and I just have this bed of mine. But basically the idea is to share things and experiences, guides, tips with you all, whoever is looking for some inspiration in their life to face your struggles or problems जो ऑलरेडी मैंने फेस किया हुआ है. अब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मैंने अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी जी ली है, अब और कुछ बचा नहीं है and all of that crap. No, I'm not trying to tell that. Basically what I'm trying to tell is certain people would have faced certain problems during different timelines of their life, right? मतलब जो प्रॉब्लम आप अभी फेस कर रहे हो, probably it could be that I would have already faced that problem in my past years. And the idea of having this, the couch talk, is just to share things with you, the problems that I faced, how I failed, how I tried, what things and guides or steps did I take to overcome it so that it could help somebody out there who's looking for some solution या फिर motivation through my video. Basically, it's just that. It's like a talk show where I would be just sharing 2 cents ज्ञान मेरे लाइफ के बारे में, मेरे experiences के बारे में आप लोगों से each and every single month on one topic. So today's video is going to be on a topic that is something I feel every one of us is struggling right now at this moment. How to start your new year with fresh things in life. आपको तो पता नहीं, but I am really struggling to start my new year with new goals and new routines in my life, at least as of now. And I know I'm going to overcome it. So this video is basically for everyone, including me, who's still in 2024 slump and want to reset 2025 with a fresh start, but पता नहीं कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, कहाँ से शुरू करना है, and all of that. So today's video, I'm going to share 8 simple tips that actually worked for me in the past 2 years, and I'm going to just tweak a little bit for this year because if I can do it, then probably you also can do it. Not probably, I'm sure you can do it much better than me. So give it a try and keep watching it till the end because I really want you all to go through this video and let me know if this kind of talk show really helps you give some inspiration. So let's begin. So the first idea or first step is something going to be facing the bull. Let's be honest. मतलब आप लोगों ने आपके 2024 में अगर कुछ गोल सेट भी किया हो तो कितने अचीव किया है आपने? Did you really achieve all of your 2024 goals or did you even set goals in the beginning? No, yes, जो भी है. I want you all to do this activity. It's going to take some time, but once you do it, then it's going to be very easy for you to analyze things in your life. So basically, आप एक paper and pen ले लो and write what were your goals for 2024. If at all you made a list in the beginning of the year, if at all you didn't, but आपके कुछ दिमाग में idea होगा ना कि आपको ये साल में इतने पैसे सेव करना था या फिर you had to lose so much of weight or you had some personal commitment या जो भी है, you had certain goals in your mind even if you didn't make a note of it somewhere, but you had it registered over here, right? So write down that goals on a paper and actually write why it didn't work out for you. मतलब क्यों काम नहीं किया? Did you not take enough action or did you not have enough resources? Did you not enough research on that? या फिर आप ऐसे ही आपके लाइफ में इतने busy हो गए that you completely forgot about this goal to be achieved in your life. Whatever it is, write it on the paper, put it on that paper and write every single thing that you think or remember from your memory helped you not achieve that goal. For example, my goal was to start my YouTube channel in 2024. Actually, I wanted to start my YouTube channel in 2023. I was a huge procrastinator. I didn't start, but 2024 May I actually set a goal that I would want to start my YouTube channel and at least start putting out videos consistently out there and at least have 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2024, which I clearly didn't achieve because I didn't take consistent actions. I never showed up every single week on YouTube putting content out there or videos that would help people out there or my travel vlogs or stories. मतलब मैंने कुछ भी basically नहीं किया पूरे 2024 साल में. I just started my YouTube video, that too late into the year. Like I think I began my YouTube channel in June 2024 and I was very inconsistent in uploading my videos. I think June से December I would have hardly done like 8 videos. 8 videos. That's lack of action. So this is what I analyzed, YouTube being my major goal for 2024. But anyway, I'm happy that I at least started my YouTube channel. Next step or next idea is declutter your life. It actually helps. मतलब declutter का literal meaning है जो कुछ भी आपके life में है, surroundings, people, apps, gadgets, things that is literally not in use, just throw them away or cut ties off. It actually helps you to reset your mind into believing that it's a new year and things are going to work differently this year. Trust me, I have done that. Okay, declutter the apps on your phone that you haven't been using for the entire year. Declutter your Spotify playlist. मतलब कुछ कुछ गाने आपने add किया हुआ है in the hope that you would be listening to it sometime in the future, but आज तो कुछ गाने को सुना ही नहीं आपने. रिमूव दैट सॉन्ग. या फिर कुछ लोग आपकी जिंदगी में आपके एनर्जी को ड्रेन करते हैं. मतलब आप उनको मिलते ही आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यार इसकी बकवास नहीं सुननी है मुझे. राइट? Cut ties with them. It's fine. It's your life. You get to decide who you want to keep in your life. Okay. Instagram, Facebook, जो भी आपके friends list है, if at all you find a lot of negativity from them, like you often find yourself comparing your life to their life, which I used to feel a lot, then unfollow them. कोई रूल नहीं है कि अगर वो आपको फॉलो करते हैं आपको उनको फॉलो करना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, you can cut ties off. You take the decision of your life. You take the charge of your life and decide what works for you, what is making you at peace, calm, brings that positivity in your life. Declutter your space. So these are the first two things that I want you all to do to reset your 2025 and start a fresh year. So एक बार वो करने के बाद the next day or take a break for a day and come to the third day or fourth day, start with your step 3 or idea number 3, which is free rant journaling. Okay, I know जब मैं journaling बोलती हूँ तो लोग बोलते हैं यार लिखना कौन लिखता है आजकल and all of that, but trust me, it really works. Okay, and मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आपको हर दिन 4-5 घंटे journaling करना हो. This is just one time activity that you have to do it so that you know yourself better. Okay, open that book and just write free rant journal dump. Okay, and this is something very, very, very secret pages that only you and the book will know. All your secrets, all your wildest fantasies या फिर ड्रीम बिग वाले गोल्स, जो कुछ भी आपको करना है, आपको नया कुछ सीखना है, हाउ डू यू वांट योर लाइफ टू लुक लाइक, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू अचीव, कितने पैसे होने चाहिए बैंक में, उस पैसे से आप क्या क्या किसके लिए करने वाले हो, अपने लिए क्या करने वाले हो, व्हाट विल यू डू लग्जरियस थिंग्स फॉर योरसेल्फ. लाइक इफ इट ऑल यू वांट टू मेक 1 million per month, then just write that on the book. I want to make 1 million per month. लिखने में थोड़ी टैक्स लगेगा. Right? Each and everything about your life, the minute of the minute details. But take your imagination into a wild ride and just put it on the paper. Next is step 4 or idea 4. Break down your goals into smaller actions. Big goals can look all fancy and dreamy, but until unless you do not have a plan to achieve it, it's not going to make any sense to you, right? All my years in my life when I was in my 20s, I always had big goals. मतलब ये करना है, but कैसे करना है कभी सोचा ही नहीं, उसके लिए कभी एक्शन लिया ही नहीं, ना ही मैंने आउटलाइन बनाया है. Yeah, I know you could tell me that I was a fool, but that's what I said. I really wish somebody had told me or talked about this when I was in my 20s at the beginning of the video. But anyway, I will help you out if at all you're seeking help. Then I hope this video will find you at the right time so that you will not make the same mistake like I did. So break down your goals into 4 areas of your life: health, career, money, and relationship. Okay. And health में आपको इस साल के लिए क्या goal achieve करना है? It could be like you want to be fit or you want to lose 5 kilos of your weight or you want to start building eating healthy or avoid junk. कुछ भी हो सकता है, जस्ट राइट 2 to 3 गोल्स अंडर ईच एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ। मतलब हेल्थ में ये हो गया, और मनी में इट कुड बी समथिंग लाइक यू वांट टू सेव 5 lakhs पर ईयर इज योर गोल, देन मंथली कितना होगा? आई थिंक इट कुड बी समवेयर अराउंड 42,000 पर मंथ सेव करना पड़ेगा आपको। क्या आपका इनकम उतना है? अगर नहीं है तो व्हाट साइड hustle or side things that you can do to add an additional income to make 40,000 rupees per month as your savings, so that at the end of the year you would have had at least 5 lakhs or more than that saved in your bank account. So I'm just giving you this brief idea of how you can break down your goals. For me, it is growing my YouTube to 50,000 subscribers this year. I know the goal is too big when I just started out, but nothing is impossible. Anything can happen at any time. Like I said, dream big. So I'm dreaming big. So to have 50,000 as my subscriber, what actions can I take daily, weekly, monthly to get to that 50,000 subscriber? A, I need to post consistently every single week. B, I need to research on more trending topics of what actually people are looking for. C, I will have to analyze the वीडियो, मतलब क्या अच्छा गया, क्या अच्छा नहीं गया, एंगेजमेंट आ रहा है, क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. I have to do all of those analysis on my video and try tweaking it or adding or removing certain things into my video. These are my actionable steps that I have broken down for my major goal of having 50,000 subscriber at the end of the year. I hope that made clear to you how to break down your goals. So under relationship, you also have to segregate your goals further. At least I did, because relationship में बहुत सारे relationship आते हैं, right? Relationship with self, relationship with parents, relationship with partner, relationship with your boss or colleagues or clients, relationship with your friends. मतलब अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग relation होता है. So segregate your goals based on these areas of your life and get clarity what you want to really achieve in 2025. Okay, अब ये मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि ये सारे goals achieve होने वाले हैं, but at least make some effort to achieve it. होगा या नहीं होगा, that's not in your hands, okay? But taking action, putting effort is in your side, and that is what I keep reminding myself every day. Take action, take efforts, the goal will come to you. Okay, if you really, मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना, किसी भी चीज को आप इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो तो दुनिया भी, तो क्या है वो शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग फ्रॉम ओम शांति ओम,
कि हर जर्रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है। कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है।
in English, it's nothing but the universe will conspire to all your dreams and goals only and only if you ask for it. Have the courage to ask what you want and start taking action, even if it is मतलब बेकार सी action हो, मतलब in your eyes it could be very simple or stupid action, but it is still an action and you're giving signal to the universe या कायनात, आप बोल रहे हो कि ये चीज मुझे अपनी जिंदगी में चाहिए, and I'm actually thinking about it seriously in my head and I'm actually taking action towards it. Okay. The next is something to get very creative with your goals and your dreams and your idea of living your life, while getting very crafty and doing your vision board, just like what you see behind me. And this is completely an optional step. Okay, आप अगर चाहो तो कर सकते हो, वरना you can really skip this out of your 2025 goal setting. But I insist you try this because it's gonna be fun and it's gonna make you feel excited. So go to that Pinterest, या Google your pictures of your dreams, वो dream destination आप जहाँ जाना चाहते हो. If at all you want to go on a vacation to Maldives, वहाँ पे आपके bedroom कैसे होगा? Go to Pinterest, search for Maldives vacation. You will get lots of photos over there, which will make you feel like wow. If at all that is your dream, okay, mine is. So I went to the Pinterest, I went to the Google, downloaded all the pictures based on my health, relationship, career, money goals, and I saved pictures that actually resonated with me. And if at all you want to see more on this vision board, then I'm going to link up the video that I made with my vision board. You can take a look at that also. You can also make a digital vision board. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप वो प्रिंट आउट लेके कट करके ऐसे बोर्ड पे स्टिक करो. If at all you are the laziest of the laziest person, I know you will never do this, but try it. It's going to be fun. If at all you do not want to go on a physical vision board, then definitely try having a digital vision board. You can do it easily on Canva. Canva में बहुत टेम्पलेट मिल जाता है, या बना बनाया हुआ विजन बोर्ड Pinterest में मिल जाता है, but only download it if it actually resonates with you. मतलब वो देख के आपको लगना चाहिए, हाँ, I also want to feel exactly this way in my life. Next is one of my favorite steps, which is step number 7, having a gratitude plus progress journal. So what I basically do and what I want you all to do also is take 15 minutes of your day. मतलब 24 hours में आप 15-20 minutes तो निकाल ही सकते हो journaling करने के लिए every single day. And this is not something journaling मतलब मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि पूरे pages लिख लो. So this is what I do, okay? Because I am also one among you who's very lazy when it comes to writing. So my gratitude journal and progress journal looks something like this. Like, hey, so while I was recording this, my voice decided to take a little break and went on mute. So here's a voiceover of what I was actually trying to say about my 3-page journaling routine. Every morning, I wake up just 20 minutes earlier than usual to write this journal. It's my way of starting the day with clarity. The first page is all about yesterday's highlight. I write down everything I can remember, what I did, how my day went, how I felt, and whether I completed my to-do list or no. This helps me reflect on what worked, what didn't, and keeps me mindful of my daily actions. The second page is my gratitude journal. I split it into 2 parts. 5 things I'm already grateful for, like I do have electricity, I have a cozy bed to sleep, a clean water to drink and bathe, and 5 things I want to attract, written as if they have already happened with all the positive feelings. For example, I would write, I'm so grateful for my trip to Turkey. The streets are so vibrant, the food is so amazing, I'm loving the weather. The third page is my progress journal. I draw 2 columns, done and not done. I jot down small wins like working out for 20 minutes or eating fruits under done, and things I missed like eating greens or avoiding junk food under not done. This way, I track my daily efforts towards my goal. At the end of the year, this habit keeps me from feeling overwhelmed or unaccomplished because I can look back and see all the little steps I have taken towards my goals. Even if it's just 80% effort, it's so motivating to see how small wins add up over time. And the last step of this video is my personal favorite, and ये मेरे खुद का idea है जो मैंने add किया हुआ है. It is nothing but adding 5 crazy things that you want to do in 2025. Okay, this is just to make my life a little spicier and thrilling. So it is nothing but कि आप 5 activities. It could be any activities that actually makes you feel uncomfortable. It could be adventure activities or things you always wanted to try but never had the courage to do or guts to do. It could be something like, for an example, for an introvert, it could be something like going on a solo trip, right? Or meeting new people. Go, give it a try this year. Give this as a challenge to yourself and add it to your goal list as a general thing or whatever category you want to put it at. But go, do that activity this year and make yourself feel accomplished. For an introvert, going up to a random stranger or person and initiating the first conversation would be very terrifying, okay? But I want you all to do it. If you're an introvert and you're listening to this, I challenge you that go up to that random stranger or a person and initiate a conversation. It could be as simple as saying, hi, how are you doing? But go and do it. Because we oftentimes think in our mind that, oh my god, it is so difficult. How will I do it? How will I move out of my comfortable zone and do it? But it's not actually that difficult to do at all. So the idea behind doing this activity or step is because A, it's going to be fun and it will boost your confidence to the most. Because when you have achieved that something which made you feel uncomfortable at first, you actually feel like you've aced it or you feel more confident than ever before. And B, it will actually make you believe that you can do the harder things in more easy way. Like, dude, take a chill pill. It's gonna work out. मतलब आपने अगर सोच लिया कि ये मैं कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ या मैं कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मुझसे हो ही नहीं सकता, and then you actually conquer and do it. You actually don't you feel good about yourself? आपको लगेगा कि पता नहीं कौन सा जंग जीत के आए हो आप, right? That's the fun part of this activity, and that's why it's my most favorite activity. And I really want to try this year for myself as my goals is A, attending a belly dance class. I'm not really sure how really good I am at moving my belly, but that's a challenge, right? Go and do it and know it for yourself if you really can do it well or no. So that's really one class that I want to take up this year. And the second is I'm looking to not join, but at least take week or 10 days of salsa class. I really want to learn salsa. It sometimes makes me intimidating to share a space with a random stranger. And that's one thing that I really want to overcome with. And I think salsa is the best way to learn dancing while also trying to learn to be comfortable with somebody else in that space. And the third thing I want to try is to go and attend a baking class and actually try baking the whole entire cake or any dessert. I've never done this before and I'm not really good at baking or cooking. But I really wanted to try this activity as a fun activity. Anyway, I'm going to keep you all updated with my activities and the things that I would be doing on this YouTube channel. So you can come back and check out what I actually did this year. But these are the 3 things that I actually want to try and will try this year. And you guys are watching me and you guys can take accountability of it. The other 2 activities I haven't really thought. जो मुझे करने का मन करेगा उस टाइम पे आई विल डेफिनेटली डू इट. Anything that puts me in uncomfortable situation, I'm gonna push myself forward and do it any which way. Even if it is right or wrong, even if it is making sense or no, I'm just gonna do it. That's the entire motive behind doing this activity. To have fun and to prove myself that I can do it. एक बार करो, दो बार करो, पांच बार करो, I can do it. That is what I want to prove it to myself. And I definitely want you all to try this activity, if not anything else. And that's the end of this video. Now that you have got your steps to reset and crush your 2025, let me give this challenge to you all. Tell me in the comment what is one or two activity that you are really uncomfortable or not confident about doing or wanted to do in your life but never had the guts to do. I would suggest go for it and crush it, my friend. You never know. Probably you would do it in much easier way than you thought that you can ever do. Okay, and you will promise me that you're gonna do it. So write it in the comments. I promise to do dash this year. Like I will promise to take a belly dancing class and at least shake a little bit of my belly this year. Well, I'm gonna do it for sure, and you will also get a progress videos about what activities I would be doing. Even if it is not belly dancing or salsa class, I definitely will do something different that makes me uncomfortable, as it is in my goal list. But I am more interested to know what are your fun activities, because you never know, you can inspire me too, right? I can pick up that one activity I read on the comments from you all, and I'm like, okay, probably I never thought of this idea. I should also give this a try. And hey, if you have enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon at the corner so that you do not miss out on my video that I post every single week. Here's to a year of new adventures and smashing goals. See you until next time. I'm Maithili Naik signing off. Bye.